Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with two prerequisites: an administrator account and knowledge of recent changes that might block Task Manager. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. If that fails, right-click the taskbar or use Start Right Arrow Run Right Arrow Task Manager. Once done, inspect recent installs and updates because software conflicts often disable Task Manager. You also want to run an account check and sign out /in to clear session glitches. These initial actions expose whether the issue is simple permissions, a UI hang, or a deeper system policy or malware problem. Next, you perform deeper diagnostics to find root causes. Run SFC and DISM to repair corrupted system files. This fixes broken Task Manager executables. Then check group policy and the registry for disabled task MGR keys because administrators or malware often flip those. Also run a full malware scan with your AV or Windows Defender. Malicious processes can block the UI. While scans run, review Event Viewer for Explorer or shell errors to correlate crashes with specific services or drivers. That gives clues for targeted fixes. To finish, apply corrective steps based on diagnostics. Restart Explorer or kill hung processes with Taskill, then start Explorer. EXE to restore UI responsiveness. If policies are blocking Task Manager, re-enable Task MGR in the registry or group policy and reboot. For persistent corruption, perform an in-place upgrade or Windows reset while keeping files to repair system components. If nothing works, boot safe mode and use system, restore to revert to a clean point. If still failing, the key troubleshooting tip: test with a new admin user to isolate profile-level issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.